Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be unboxing something very exciting for you guys. It is the Casablanca Bulgari collaboration. If you guys didn't know, the brand Bulgari collaborate once or twice a year with other brands, and then they do exclusive collections, and this was this year's one. I'm very excited about this because they are two brands that I love. Casablanca is a French-Moroccan brand, I believe, that is kind of known for their street luxe, kind of athleisure, high-end athleisure vibes to them. I think they originally started off with menswear, but they now kind of do a mix of both men's and women's wear. I have a few pieces from them in ready to wear. When I saw that Casablanca and Bulgari were collabing, I was just like, this is something I absolutely need to get my hands on. They're both brands that I absolutely love. It is very, very exciting. They actually did two parts of this collection. The first part that has already dropped was kind of like an après tennis collection, which was mainly greens and whites, and it was absolutely stunning. But the second collection that has just dropped, which I got this piece from, definitely spoke to me even more so than the green and white. And just to give you some insight on how I got this bag, I went to my local Bulgari store. I have an amazing essay there, and I pre-ordered this bag in, I think it was April, I believe. And I was actually first in the US to pre-order something from this second part of the Casablanca collection. And so I was very excited when they said they were able to get it for me. And I waited since April, and it was just sent to me. It is now the beginning of June, and I just received it, I think, this week. And originally it was supposed to be in at the beginning of May, but that did change up due to a manufacturing issue. But it's here. As you guys can see, the packaging is so stunning. There's the Casablanca, Bulgari, Casablanca, and then the other side too. I mean, I'm obsessed with this packaging. This is the Casablanca logo. Let's unbox it. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. I will leave my links down below, and you can follow me at georgia.may with 3 Ys. I already did unbox it on there because I was just too excited, so I made a little reel for you guys, but I thought I would come on here and unbox it too. Okay, so first off, as you guys can see, a hint, this is the strap, which is detachable. And then we have the baby. This was so exciting, you guys. I absolutely loved this piece when I saw it, and I kind of was debating between a few pieces, but really this was the first piece I saw from this collection, and I was just like, this is the one for me. I mean, how stunning is she? As soon as I unboxed it, it arrived one afternoon, and I was just like, I'm unboxing it right now, I have to. But oh my goodness. So let me tell you guys a little bit about the details of this bag. This is the Casablanca Bulgari collaboration mosaic pochette. It is a really, really cute bag, as you guys can see. It's also an amazing size. I actually don't have a silhouette similar to this in a handbag, and so you can just attach the crossbody strap. I will show you guys. It is so, so cute on, and it fits your phone, it fits a card holder. It's a good size. It's not huge, but it's a really good size. It's all I personally need. I mean, how cute. I'm so obsessed. It will go with so many things. I really want to show you guys the details of this bag because that's really what makes it. Let me show you it close up. So the bag itself is calf leather, which makes it really, really soft, but also durable. All of the hardware is gold-plated brass. As you guys can see, it's a lovely, lovely bright gold hardware. And the inside is a Napa leather. As you guys can see, it's pink and on the inside, and then it has the Casablanca logo. It has a little room at the back for your cards, and then it's kind of an open section where you can slot your phone and whatever else you want to add. The clasp is amazing. It's a really heavy, nice quality click to it. As you guys know, that's very important. The serpenti head is also gold-plated brass with multicolored enamel, and the eyes are actually blue jade, which I think is just an amazing touch to this bag. It is going to be so perfect for spring, summer, and I just think it's really, really cute. But there were many pieces from this collection that were gorgeous. This one just kind of stood out to me as something that I really don't have anything like it. And as you guys can see, the back has the Bulgari logo, and then also the Casablanca monogram, and just more of this mosaic detail. I've never really seen a bag with this kind of level of illustration on it, and that was really what sold me. It goes all the way around the bag, and just every detail, every inch of the bag is covered. The sides are the pink Napa leather, and I just absolutely love it. It is going to be perfect for spring. I've actually already styled it up quite a few times, and despite it looking like kind of a lot of like crazy different colors, it just goes with so much. It looks really cute with denim, pastels, and just perfect for spring, summer. So I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Please let me know what you think, and if you guys managed to pick anything up from the collection as well. I saw so many people on Instagram styling up their pieces already, and I absolutely love them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much as always for the support on my other videos, and I'll see you next time.